my name is Rosie Joy Giando. I want to introduce my positive traits and my negative traits. My positive traits are I have a self-confidence to myself and I have good etiquette in my grandmothers and my grandfathers and also in other people. I have discipline to myself. I know what to do if I have in trouble. I have so many sports. I play volleyball, basketball, softball, and badminton. And also, I'm studying very well. I want to finish my studies for the sake of my future. My negative traits are um, if what is I want to get it as long as possible. And the other one is um, I don't I don't want to mingle in my other friends because of their bad attitudes. They so arrogant, selfish, and nonsense to talk. But I want to change that negative trait because if I don't want to change it, what happened to me? Always just grieve in my parents? Not all time, because their life is short. That's why I'm studying very well to finish my studies because if I finish my studies, I can do all I want and I can get all I need. And to mingle in my friends, in my other friends, is important to me because I'm happy with them. But not all times because not at all I can understand what are they talking about, what are they doing, and also I don't understand in their attitude.